Want to use that last bit of turkey from Thanksgiving? Let's make some turkey and dumplings. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, I'm Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend or auntie of lifestyle and decor, and today we're going to be making up a quick and easy turkey and dumplings that is sure to be a pleaser. Let's get started.
Hi Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today we're going to be cooking up some turkey and dumplings with our leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. If you're interested, please keep watching, and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi Adorners, so I've gone ahead and started about 7 cups of water to a boil, and I'm going to add in a few chicken bouillon cubes here. Okay Adorners, so I have some chicken bouillon I'm going to add to my water. Okay Adorners, so in goes my bouillon. Kind of crumble it up a little bit. In it goes. Okay, along with my bouillon, I'm going to add in some poultry seasoning. Alright, we're going to add in some salt. This is some pink Himalayan salt. And we're going to get some cracked pepper. Cracked black pepper. Alright, we got a little sprinkle of garlic powder. Okay, Adorners, so I've chopped up some celery and onion. I'm going to go ahead and add to our pot. Okay, Adorners, so I'm going to add in 1 drop of yellow food coloring. Alright. Okay, Adorners, so I've gone ahead and cut up some of my leftover turkey from Thanksgiving and taken off any skin, and I'm going to add it to our broth mixture and let this come to a boil. Alright, in it goes. See, I'm adding in some of the turkey that I cut up to our mixture. I'm probably going to add in some more water to this. And maybe a little bit more salt and pepper. Okay, we want to put plenty of meat in. Okay, we got plenty of meat to put in. Alright, so I'm going to add in about 2 cups of water and bring this to a boil. So I went ahead and added in 2 more cups of water to this, and I'm going to bring this to a boil. Okay, Adorners, so I'm going to add in about 1.5 cups of frozen peas and carrots. Okay, Adorners, so today I'm going to be adding in some Mary Hill dumplings. Okay. And we're going to let these boil for about 8 minutes. We're going to, or until they float to the top. Then we're going to add in about 1/3 cup of cold water and let them come to a boil again, and then they'll be done. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, Adorners, so this is what I've had my dumplings. I just purchased them a while back. This is what they look like out of the container. All right, and we're going to go ahead. They're actually lined layer by layer, and I'm going to go ahead and put in about 15 to 20 dumplings. I might break them in half. So let me do that. Okay, Adorners, so you see my dumplings. You can just put them in all one at one time. I'm gonna break mine in half. Go on, put them in there. My grandmother used to put hers in. When they start boiling, then you know they're ready. Then we're gonna add, as I said, we're gonna add in about 1/3 cup of cold water, and we're gonna let them boil again. But one of the things my grandma used to always say is, do not bother the dumplings. We'll stir them once they get in the pot, but after that, we're gonna leave them alone. She used to say that all the time. Don't bother the dumplings. Do not harass the dumplings. Okay? So, all right, so that's 3. Well, actually, that's 2. Let me go ahead and put this in half. Broke it in half, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in about maybe 10 more. All right, I'll be back. All right, Adorners, so these are coming to boil. Let me go ahead and add in some cold water and turn them down. All right, we're gonna pour some cold water in.
Okay, Adorners, so this can also be done with a rotisserie chicken from your local grocery store. If you wanted to make chicken and dumplings, this will be a quick and easy way for you to do it on a weeknight.
I'm just gonna let this thicken up a little bit and enjoy. Okay, Adorners, so our chicken and dumplings are done.
Turkey and dumplings.
Here. Just let them kind of just sit and cool off. Make me a bowl. And anyway, this is a wonderful way to use up some of your turkey that you had left over for Thanksgiving. If you put it in the freezer, just add some with some dumplings here. Alright, I went ahead and made myself a bowl of turkey and dumplings, and they look good. I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy this on this winter night, and I hope you have a great evening.
This dish can be made with a variety of dumplings that can be found in your freezer section across the country, as well as with a rotisserie chicken, or you can just make it with a bouillon cube. As always, thank you for joining me, and as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. See you in the next video.